Hello and welcome to AI News Weekly, your essential briefing on the stories shaping our future. I'm your host, Alex. This week was a powerful reminder of AI's enormous impact on everything from global governance to the core algorithms teaching machines how to understand the physical world. Let's start at the top, the global level. Our lead story comes from the UN's AI for Good Global Summit in Geneva. And honestly, this felt less like a tech showcase and more like a global intervention. The head of the ITU, which is the UN's tech agency, set a serious tone with a sobering warning. The greatest risk we face isn't some distant sci-fi scenario like Skynet, but the immediate and reckless race to embed AI into every aspect of society without fully understanding the consequences for people or the planet. Just let that sink in. The danger isn't theoretical or far off, it's already here in the products and systems being deployed today. And the numbers are staggering. A new report from the summit revealed that 85% of countries still have no national AI strategy. That's a massive gap between technology and policy. And while global leaders debate, tech giants continue to move forward at full speed. Which brings us to our second story, Meta's big leap in embodied AI. They just unveiled a new model called V-JEPA 2, which is designed to give AI something like physical intuition. Think about how we instinctively know a ball will fall off the edge of a table, because we've seen it happen our whole lives. V-JEPA 2 is trained on massive amounts of video to help robots understand cause and effect in a similar way. It's a foundational step toward AI systems that don't just react, they comprehend. And right alongside that announcement, Meta also acquired Play AI, a voice AI startup. The connection? It's all part of building AI assistants that can both act in the physical world and communicate with us in a natural, human-like way. V-JEPA 2 is the brain, and Play AI is the voice. Together, they paint a picture of Meta's vision for the future. Now, shifting to the global AI race, we saw a bold move from China's Moonshot AI, which just open-sourced its powerful Kimi K2 model. That's right, they're giving away their most advanced tech. Why? Strategy. By making their model public, they're inviting developers from around the world to build on it, improve it, and ultimately rely on their ecosystem. It's a smart play for influence and scale, and it directly challenges the walled garden approach used by many Western companies. Speaking of governments, let's head back to the US, where the Senate voted 99-1 to strike down a federal ban on state-level AI regulations. This is huge. It means that the patchwork of AI laws emerging in places like California and Colorado will continue to grow. Tech companies may not love the complexity, but many states argue they can't wait on Washington to act, especially when it comes to urgent threats like deepfakes and algorithmic bias. So for now, the US will remain 50 laboratories of democracy, each experimenting with how to govern AI. And finally, let's end on a story that beautifully blends AI with human tradition. A new report from the World Health Organization and other UN agencies highlights the growing use of AI in traditional medicine. It's fascinating stuff, like using computer vision to identify rare medicinal plants in Ghana, or machine learning to analyze compounds found in ancient Korean remedies. This is where modern tech meets ancient wisdom. But the report doesn't stop there. It also raises a serious ethical flag, warning against biopiracy, where corporations might exploit traditional knowledge using AI without permission or compensation. It's a critical reminder. As AI spreads into every corner of our world, we must think beyond just data and algorithms. We must consider culture, equity, and consent. So what a week. From top-down regulation efforts to bottom-up innovation, the landscape of AI is shifting fast. And here's the question I'll leave you with. As we race to build ethical frameworks and guardrails around AI, is the technology itself already evolving too fast at the grassroots level for those fences to ever fully contain it? Thanks for tuning into AI News Weekly. I'm Alex. See you next week.